Rapid Repair Serum is the new addition to Dr. Anne-Marie's Dermal Care skincare range. It contains a synergy of active ingredients in a serum formula to quickly begin the rejuvenation process. It stimulates collagen and elastin production in the skin whilst keeping the skin hydrated, giving it a youthful glow. Due to the healing properties of the active ingredients, Rapid Repair Serum can be used on any skin type. It contains calendula and cucumber oils as well as other precious oils. Hyaluronic acid enhances hydration and healing, whilst the addition of matrixyl peptide 3000 stimulates the proteins responsible for skin rejuvenation. Rapid Repair Serum is a valuable addition targeted towards users of high-end technologies such as laser, intense pulse light, microdermabrasion, and LED. For further information, please call Dr. Anne-Marie on 0403 846622 or visit the website on www.dramdermalcare.com.au. Introducing Vitamin A and Squalene.